In this Webflow tutorial, I'll teach you how to install an AI chatbot to your Webflow website. In this specific case, we'll be using HelloVira, today's sponsor of the video. So thank you, HelloVira. HelloVira's chatbot is amazing because it actually uses AI to crawl your entire site, and the setup is less than 5 minutes. So for example, when the site visitor loads your chatbot, you can already see there's 3 prompted questions based on AI generation of your website. It says, what are your opening hours? What services do you offer? Where are you located? And again, for those who don't know, I'm a solo freelance Webflow developer and UI UX designer. So if I go ahead and click what services do you offer, the AI agent will actually reply. Derek Su offers a fantastic array of services. You can get a custom Webflow development, professional website, design and UI UX services, and dynamic graphic design solution. He also provides incredible education courses on Webflow development and business and freelance. It is an all-in-one stop for amazing digital solutions. And you can see after that, you can go ahead and ask a bit more questions like, what are the rates? And it goes ahead and replies. The rates is around 2,000 or between 4,000 to 10,000. And of course, you can adjust the AI's response based on your website content and further prompts. You'll also notice in this chatbot, there is an option to hit contact where the user can actually contact you directly by adding their name and their email and their phone number. And you get this as a business owner as a lead. So you can always contact them. And a lead is worth quite a lot in business because you can imagine converting one lead will equal to sales. So let's go ahead and quickly install this. And the first thing we want to do is head over to hellovira.com. Again, I'll leave a link in the description. We can go ahead and create a new account by hitting this main CTA button. Keep in mind, guys, this is a paid monthly subscription. However, there is a free non-obligation 14-day free trial, which you can cancel anytime. Again, the great thing about this specific solution is you can set this up within 5 minutes or less. So let's go ahead and hit build your free virtual assistants, and this will go ahead and onboard you. So like I showed you earlier, you just need to put your website. So in my case, I'll put www.dereksu.com.au. I'll hit scrape website, and literally HelloVira is going to crawl your website in order to build that AI agent. So it saves you from a lot of time from prompting the AI. Once that's done, you can see it actually generated everything for me. And you see my business name is Derek Su, which is correct. I believe I am Derek Su. And it also shows the description, which has been pulled from my website. Derek Su is a freelance Webflow developer, UI UX designer, and educator based in Sydney, Australia. And again, this is how the AI agent can respond to your answers. This looks pretty good. Of course, we can add more context if you wish, and we can also do it a bit later. But I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Then this is going to go into the next step, which is hours. And you can see my hours are Monday to Friday. Maybe I want to change it to be available on Saturday. So I'll go ahead and toggle this on 9 a.m. to, let's just say, 3 p.m. That is all fixable by you. And then below this, we can also add public holidays and special closes if you wish. And we'll go ahead and hit continue. And then the next thing is service and pricing. As you can see, I did absolutely nothing. I did not add this content in here. It automatically pulled it. It knows that I do Webflow development, website design, graphic design. It knows that I have a course and a business and freelancing course. And where applicable, it's gone ahead and added the price in USD as well. Again, this is magic. This is literally going into my website, automatically assumed my services right here in my dropdown. Development, design, graphic design, and courses. It went into my courses and it knew that I had 2 different courses, Webflow course and the freelance course. If I go into the Webflow course, it automatically priced it at 550 USD. Of course, this can change at any time, but we can go ahead and manually set the price. For example, Webflow development might start at 2,000 USD. Website design might start at 1,000 USD. Graphic design might start for 150 USD. The business and freelancing course, for example, might be 200 USD. Once that's done, we can go ahead and continue. Of course, we can always add new service and pricing. For example, like SEO management, etc. But this is already pretty impressive and pretty accurate. You can see in Webflow development, the description is saying it's a custom built, fast, responsive, and SEO friendly Webflow sites that are easy to manage, yada, yada, yada. So amazing stuff. We'll hit continue. Next thing is to add your contact detail. And this is very important because at the end of the day, the whole point of having an AI chatbot or a website is to get that lead funnel. So we want to provide our phone number and our email for the user to best contact us. So in this case, I'm not going to put my phone number because I don't want to get doxed on my YouTube video. But here, you'll notice my email is derek.su1@gmail.com. We can also add different locations, but this is good for now. I'll hit continue. The next thing is to personalize your chatbot. So you can give your chatbot a name. In my case, I'm going to call it Subot, because that's actually what people called me back in high school. That was like one of my nicknames. You can also hit suggest if you're stuck with ideas, and you can choose your avatar. But of course, I want to upload a custom avatar, and I always recommend to put something like your face. So I'll go ahead and put my face. You can also put your logo. It just puts a face for the name. So I'll go ahead and hit save, and you'll notice it also has different options. Like you can only just put the text only and not show the profile picture. This whole solution has been thought out pretty well, in my opinion. And the great thing is HelloVira is constantly releasing new updates. So right here, we can go ahead and add our brand color. Mine is the orange. So I'll go ahead and paste in the hexacode. There we go. And below this, we can customize the message. So we can customize the greeting message, but this looks pretty good. Hi there, how can I help you today? That's cool. The great thing about this specific chatbot is you can change the personality. So it can be friend and warm, professional and formal, calm and reassuring, witty and lighthearted. So of course, this depends on your business and what your goals are. But in my case, I might just keep it professional and formal. Go ahead and hit continue. And then right here, it gives you a preview of your chatbot. So if I go ahead and hit continue, the next thing is to go live, which is just to install the code. You'll also notice the HelloVira has a really, really nice dashboard, super minimalistic, well-designed, and just everything a business owner needs. So let's go ahead and scroll down, and I'll go ahead and create my account. Again, this is a paid solution, but it has a free 14-day trial. So once you hit create free trial, it will go ahead and load in what it seems to be a Stripe checkout page, which is very, very secure. I'll go ahead and quickly add my card details. And once that's done, I'll go ahead and create my account. and it'll go ahead and bill me after 14 days of the free trial. Of course, you can also cancel it. But here is the dashboard mode. Looks super clean, super minimalistic. Obviously, I have zero conversion and everything because I'm really just installing it. You'll notice this is the overview, and then the next tab is install. So you'll notice there's a dedicated tab called Webflow right here. You can go ahead and copy that embed code and paste it to our project settings. So heading to my Webflow project right here, and go into site settings and custom code, scroll down and add it to my footer code. And of course, because we're a Webflow channel, if you only want this widget to display on certain pages, you can just add it to whatever pages you want in the page setting, not the site setting. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just publish this. And while I'm publishing, I'll go back to HelloVira and just show you what else you can do. So you notice the next tab is knowledge base right here. And this is automatically generated through calling my website, like I mentioned earlier. But you'll notice you can go ahead and update any information. And the great thing that I love about HelloVira is at the very bottom, where it says frequently asked questions, we can add very common questions that people might ask in the chatbot. Thankfully, in my specific website, I already have an FAQ section. For example, in my Webflow development services, which is my main service offering, you can see if I scroll down to the page right here, it actually has common questions that people tend to ask me. So for example, do you offer ongoing support and maintenance for your Webflow site? Go back to the chatbot and add that as a question. And I'll go ahead and paste in the answer. Yes. And I can go ahead and add another question. Perhaps it might be a personal question because you might have like a personal site. So you'll notice in my about page, I have my favorite TV shows and movies and YouTubers. So I can go ahead and copy that as a question, and I'll go ahead and paste that as the answer right here. Of course, we can add more. And below this, you can also add additional information. For example, if I go back, it says people and topics I find very interesting. I can just copy this whole content and just paste it here. I can also go ahead and copy my full work history right here and paste it in. And this will go ahead and use this as a database where the AI will reference this database in order to answer the questions. If it doesn't have any relevant content in the database, then it'll go ahead and say, please contact Derek Su, and here's his phone number and email, for example. Go ahead and hit save all changes. And if I refresh my website, you'll notice the widget is sitting on the bottom right. It says chat with Subot with my profile picture, which I set up. If we click this to open it, it goes ahead and says, got it, let's chat. And you can see right here, the 3 questions. What are your opening hours? What service do you offer? Where are you located? And because we just added information to the knowledge database, I can go ahead and say, what people does Derek find interesting? And it'll go ahead and spit out the answer right here. You can see it's gone ahead and spit out custom answer based on the knowledge that I fed it earlier. We can go ahead and ask it different questions like, can you tell me more about his Webflow courses? It's gone ahead and give me an answer. Of course, we can type in a question as a user that hasn't been fed to the database. For example, what is Derek Su's favorite food? And you'll notice it says, I don't have that information handy. Your best bet is to contact the team directly via email at, and then it has my email address. So as you can see, it's super cool stuff. Very, very easy to set up. And the great thing is the user can also hit contact right here. They can go ahead and leave in their name. Let's just say, for example, Jared Su, and then ksu@gmail.com, and then put their phone number in there and hit send my detail. And then it goes ahead and says, our team will contact you soon. So if we actually go into the dashboard and we head over to the leads tab right here, that specific person that we just added, Derek Su, is showing in the captured lead. And what I love about HelloVira is you can go ahead and look at all the leads in a very easy dashboard, and you can even change the status. So it's almost like a CRM management where you can say contacted, converted, or not interested. And you can also add custom notes like, this is a red flag client, avoid at all costs. And we'll go ahead and put status, not interested. And it even shows you the date. And then if we go back into the overview right here, you notice it tells you every single thing. Most asked topic, others, service offered, captured leads, what time that leads were captured in, recent conversations right here, busiest times that the chatbot has seen questions being asked or views. And you'll notice at the very end, we have account and billing. And this is where you can go ahead and manage your billing or cancel your subscription. Again, this video is sponsored by HelloVira.com. So thanks again, HelloVira, for sponsoring this specific video. Definitely give this chatbot a go, guys. And this specific chatbot has a 14-day free trial in case you don't find any value. But if you're a pretty fairly large-sized business who get a lot of contact leads, this is definitely a really great solution in order to cut down your management time, in order to convert the leads much faster, as well as giving your users more value and more clear and precise answer straight off the bat. Rather than them waiting for a specific answer, the AI chatbot can answer straight away. This also has really, really good backend management. And if you look at the pricing comparison table right here, other specific solutions such as Podium, Intercom, and Zendesk are quite expensive compared to this specific solution. And like I showed you guys in this video, it actually is super easy to set up and very highly customizable. From my understanding, HelloVira is also looking to increase and improve their specific platform. So you can expect new releases and new bug fixes. So definitely give it a try. 14-day free trial. Link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.